Okay, my friend Ant agrees to get shot by my high-powered rocket launcher with the Nerf football in it, and well, let's just see how it goes. I'm priming the system a little bit here.
Don't turn it up higher.
Okay. Primed, ready to shoot. We need the football now.
Oh, you gotta shove the damn thing in there.
Where did I show you that football?
I don't know, you showed me on the table.
Showed you on the table. Now where did it go?
Underneath the bag.
Underneath the bag. I don't see it. Where's the football, Ant?
Don't look at me, I don't have it. It's gotta be on the bag. Underneath.
Oh wait, did I put it in here? Oh, I put it in here already. Alright, I got it.
Dumbass.
We're ready to go. Yeah, load it. Okay, it's loaded.
Right.
Okay, you ready?
Oh!
You okay?
Don't try that at home, folks. Don't try that at home.
Did that hurt?
Oh, that fucker hurt like a bitch. That hurt, but... That's it.
That's my rocket launcher there, sir. Camera, sir. Lady man.
That shit hurts like a bitch.
Does it?
You see? I'll try that at home. That is crazy.
It's some crazy shit, huh?
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Oh. Dude. Ouch. You saw that football flying? That shit went, whoosh. I'm like, oh. You saw that football flying?
Yeah, I saw the football flying.
Ah. It's dead right at me. Oh. Right to my back.
Right to your back?
Yeah, right.
On your lower back?
My lower back, yeah.
Turn around and show the camera if there's any bruises.
There's no bruises, but it's on my lower back.
Let's see, pull up the back of your shirt. More, I can't see nothing. Where did it hit?
My lower right here. My lower.
Ah, I don't want to see all that. Alright, you're good.